today in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the virtualization encryption. So encryption in virtualization. First of all, you need to go to the VirtualBox site, and here you have to download the VirtualBox Windows host. And remember, you must download this extension pack. Okay. If you don't download this extension pack, it will not support the encryption technology. Okay. You have to click on accept and download. Remember that this VirtualBox extension pack personal use and education license only. Okay, so remember that this is not for the no, you can't use it for other purpose, for personal use and educational license. Okay, and once you did it, you have to install the extension pack. If you don't know how to install the extension pack, I will give the link of the video in the I button above, and you can watch the video from there. Okay, once you install there, you have to go to the settings, and then you have to see here option. In general, you see the option here, disk encryption. You have to select the option here, and then you have to choose a algorithm here. You can see that this is the algorithm, 256-bit algorithm. Suppose I accepted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I choose the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I choose the password. Once you choose the algorithm plus password, and then you click on OK, then it will apply. You can see encrypting medium, and you can see the encryption is going on. Once this machine is encrypted, actually it is secured. Okay, now if anyone want to open this virtual machine, what will happen? A password has been applied from the virtualization software. So you can see that you can start this Linux machine, and when you start this Linux machine, it will not start until you give the password. You just wait, and you see here it's asking for the password, and if you type the password which you applied, then only you will be able to boot this Linux machine. So this is the premium protection here. Okay, inside the virtualization. So just type the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, press enter, and you see now your Linux machine started. It means you can log into your Linux machine only if you type the password. But what? How to remove the password? Let me close it from here. Okay, and now I'm going to tell you how to remove this password. If you want to remove this password, just go to the settings and make sure this Linux machine is off when you are removing the password. Go to the, and then go to the disk encryption and just remove this disk. Okay, and click on OK, and it will ask you again the password. Just type the password once, and you click on OK, and you can see it's decrypting medium. Okay, it means it's removing the password from this Linux machine, and in this way you can apply disk encryption on your virtualization software. And you can see that right now if I click on a start button, now it will not ask you any password because I have successfully removed the encryption. Okay, so you can notice here it's not ask any password here from the virtualization software, and the Linux machine started. So in this way you can also apply the password and on the virtualization software. If you want any other video on the virtualization, you can mention it in the comment section. Thank you for the watching.